This is what you call sashimi. Okay, look at that beautiful sashimi. It's in the boat. So, yep, it's really good. Look at that. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. That's what you call. That's what you call fish in the boat.
No, did you hear what she said?
We Asian people enjoy this, huh, Opa? We don't enjoy meat, don't we? And he got it. So every Friday he will get that for me from now on. There you go. Yeah, that's what you call sashimi on the boat. That's what you call a fish in the boat. Okay. And you can only find it to Kimono. We are located 82nd Street, Lawton, Oklahoma.
God, that's fucking